My name is Michelle, and this is a review of my first Stitch Fix box. Not only is this my first box from Stitch Fix, this is also my first unboxing. I don't really like buying clothes. My sense of style throughout the years has been virtually non-existent. So what I'm really looking for, at least in this first one, was something that kind of was comfy, casual. But I could maybe wear to work or not wear to work. I wanted a lot of options. Let's get into this. My dog is right here. You might hear her. Okay. So I'm going to do what I've seen some people do and not open the card right now. I don't want to keep myself from not buying it just because it isn't $15, which is really like my preferred price range for anything is $15 or less. I look at this card first, I wouldn't even want to try anything on. So, here we go. Alright, so yes. So, here we go. I am very happy with these colors. I wear a lot of navy, I wear a lot of blue. So, I'm seeing navy, seeing black. I think that's black. A jean. Oh, okay. Let's open this up. Oh, ooh, I like this. This is a Martina Slub knit open cardigan in black by Mix by 41 Hawthorn. Whoa, that's quite the brand name. Mix by 41 Hawthorn. The Martina Slub knit open cardigan in black, and it's a medium. Let's see, what are you made out of? Another thing I'm going to be looking at is how washable it is, because I really like easy. Okay, machine wash, good. 95% rayon and 5% spandex. Okay, right. I do like this. This would go with, like, definitely go with work, but could easily transition to going with denim as well. Oh, what is this? Is this a okay, it's kind of long, so I think it's a dress. It's I don't know how good the lighting is in here, but it's a blue dress. It's really, really blue though, like navy, almost black blue. And it's got a pocket right here. This is the, okay, Mixed by 41 Hawthorn again. Alison Essential T-shirt swing dress. Okay, T-shirt swing dress. It's really good material. Almost feels like something I would maybe wear to bed. So yeah, it doesn't look like a nightgown, but I hope it doesn't look like a nightgown on my body because I really do like the material. I don't know how much I like the pocket. I kind of wish that wasn't there, but we'll see. We'll see. Okay, so again, I think this is like a navy, maybe. It's really, really dark though, so like almost black. And this is a top. Really comfortable material again. This is a small. The brand is Papermoon, Marisol mixed material knit top. So this is the front. And this is the back. I'm surprised this is a small because it's pretty big. It looks like a medium. Definitely try it on. It definitely looks, it doesn't look like something I could wear to work. It's just a little too casual. 65% rayon, 32% polyester. I really like that combination. And then the contrast is polyester and spandex. Machine wash cold. Cool. Iron. Okay. Alright, we got another t-shirt. This is really comfy casual. I mean, I don't really fully understand this part, but maybe it'll make sense when I'm wearing it. I don't know. 65% modal. I have no idea what that is. 35% polyester, but hand washed in cold water. Oof. Hummingbird Liara knot front knit top in burgundy, and it's a small. So if you're looking for something like this, it's definitely comfy, but just know that it can't throw it in the washing machine. They recommend a hand wash on that one. And then there's these jeans. Ooh. Just USA Shilin mid-rise skinny jean in Indigo size 6. Yeah. So this has just slight distressing. I did indicate in my profile when it came to jeans that distressing wasn't my complete favorite. There's these tatters at the bottom, which I don't really know how I feel about that. I feel like I'm not against distressed jeans. I'm really not, but especially being close to my feet when I usually wear flats, I just feel like these start to go. But I haven't looked at the prices, so again, if the price is right on these, which these are very, very, very soft. On the back, there's some distressing on the pockets. It is very cute. It looks like it would go with these tops that she sent. At least this red top really, really well. I don't know about the blue top. But, okay, so I will try these on. The first items that I put on were the pair of jeans and the red top. I like that it's lower in the back. It's really comfortable. This material is really great, but this is the one that is not, it has to be hand washed, and I don't love that. So this thing that when I was unboxing, I wasn't really for sure. It looks like it's supposed to lay kind of like that. I tuck my shirt into my pocket. I don't know, I just feel like I'm always gonna have to have my hand in my pocket for this to make sense. It's gonna bother me, like I just want to pull it down, and then when you pull it down it just kind of looks weird, so I don't know about this. So the jeans, when I first put them on, I'm like, really tight right here. So these are a size 6. If I was to keep them, I would probably want a size 8. It not being in the right size, plus the detail at the bottom kind of annoying me, probably means that I won't keep it. I am now wearing the blue shirt with the polka dot back. The navy blue is a little bit more sheer than I would like it to be, which means that I would probably feel more comfortable if I was wearing a cami underneath it, which just is going to make this really hot. Wait, does this make it better? I think these polka dots just, like, this is the fun I decided to go with today. I'm not really digging it. This is the Mixed by Hawthorn cardigan with the pockets. When I was unboxing, this was the thing that felt the most like me, so I wanted to see what it looked like with some of my own clothes. I guess these aren't real pockets, it's just kind of like a fold of the bottom and the side, and they meet together and you have somewhere to put your hands. This is the t-shirt dress, 41 by Hawthorn. Same as the cardigan, same brand as the cardigan. And I do like this. I do like that it's very easy to wear. I do have 2 dogs. I do have 2 cats, and it seems like this is material that would just, their hair is going to come off very easily. I also like that this pocket that stood out to me when I first opened the box doesn't really, looking at myself in the mirror, it doesn't stand out to me. So that's a good thing, because I guess I like symmetry. I think this is a good one, so let's see how much everything cost. I am going to go over the prices now. I really do like the t-shirt dress and the cardigan. So if I was to keep the whole entire box, the box comes out to $202. If you buy all, you get 25% off, which is a deduction of $50.50, which would make the order subtotal $151.50, and then after my styling fee credit, it would come out to $131.50. But it's a little bit more on the casual side, so I feel like the grand total should have been closer to maybe $80 rather than $131. That's what I would prefer, but I get it. I get why it costs the amount that it does. I know what feedback I need to provide so that my next fix can be even better. So thank you for watching, and thank you for being super nice to me, because this video is probably going to be really bad. Thanks, bye.